Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is exuberant. It is pronounced exuberant and spelt E-X-U-B-E-R-A-N-T. Think X, E-X, and then Uber, like the taxi company, and then ant. Exuberant is an adjective that means full of energy and enthusiasm. It is often used to describe someone or something that is very lively and excited. For example, you could say he was exuberant after winning the game, or she was exuberant when she got a score of 100% in her exam. The word exuberant comes from the Latin word exuberantem, which means overflow. It was originally used to describe something that is in abundance. Today, it specifically means an abundance of energy or enthusiasm for something. The Cat in the Hat from Dr. Seuss's book of the same name is exuberantly mischievous and excitable, bringing fun and chaos to the lives of Sally and Conrad on a rainy day. Synonyms for exuberant include enthusiastic, passionate, lively, and energetic. Antonyms for exuberant are dull, listless, and unenthusiastic. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, exuberant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.